What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna install a new underglow for the Supra. Okay, I'm gonna explain why I'm gonna install a new one, because I already have one but I ripped it on the bottom because my car is too low, but that's why we're gonna put a new one. Okay, and the price for this one is amazing, but let's unbox it and let's see the underglow. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. The brand is Nilight. Okay, this is the underglow. I'm gonna put the link for this one on the description of the video, but this is the connection for the lights. Let me see if I can find, yeah, right here. Each light has a connection for each side, and then you can connect them here. This one goes to the power, and if you want you can use this. So you got a lighted connection, you can turn it on and on in here. Okay, with this one. Okay, it comes with a remote control. Okay, some zip ties, some plastic to hold the LED strip for the underglow, instructions how to download the app, installation, how to connect it. Okay, so everything is included on the box. So let's start with installation. And before we continue with the video, let me give you a sneak peek of the coming up videos after this one. The next one, well, this is not the next one, but we have a LED lighting for the headlights. This is for the Honda Pilot. Dash cam, mini dash cam. This one is very small, but that's in another video. But this one, man, just a small sneak peek. Carbon fiber steering wheel. But this one is for the next video, and after this one, these two. Okay, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. But let's continue with the video. Okay, we're ready. I will remove the old underglow, and this is the new one. So first we have to have a plan how to install it, because this underglow is in one piece. It doesn't have connection. The previous one I had, it had connection here, so you can install each piece and then connect the plugs probably in here in the middle. But this one is only one piece. Everything is one piece. Okay, so my plan is to stick first the middle, this one from the door, under the door, and then I'm gonna slide that one under the liner, fender liner, or the rear quarter panel liner. Slide this one under here, and then put that piece later, and then the other piece, the other cable, slide it here under the fender liner here, and then I can stick this one. This one is gonna go to the front. Okay, so this is the next step. After you put the LED strips underglow, you can plug these two to this one right here, like that. And this one is the module that I will connect to the app and the remote. Okay, so this one is gonna be, I think, here, because it's the cable is short, so it's gonna be under the car. And then these two wires right here, I'm gonna run them here to the inside of the car. I already have a switch here, but basically what it is, you have to run these two cables inside of the cabin. There's a hole there, a plug there, you can run them there, and from there run it inside and plug it to the, so you can run, it's gonna be under the car, and then run the cable here to the plug. Mine is here to the fuse box, okay? But if you don't wanna connect it to the fuse box, run it here to the cigarette light connection. So the cable is coming out from there, okay? So that's basically the plan. Okay, so it's not that hard. You have to figure out in your vehicle where is that hole that goes to the cabin. After you get that, you can run the cable to the cabin and plug it to the cigarette lighter connection or the fuse box. Okay, so let me install it. One more thing, very important: clean the bottom of the car. Don't stick it if the bottom part is dirty. Clean it, because if you don't clean it, this one is gonna fall down. Okay, it's not gonna stick. So clean it real good with alcohol and then stick it. And this is the one that you're gonna put on the cigarette lighter connection. Your two power cables, black with black and red with red. Okay, so it's very easy. Alright, I'm tired, but it's ready. So before you stick this one with the double-sided tape, run the wires first under the fender liners. Okay, so I already run the wire here, and then this one is here. I haven't stick it yet. And then in here you have to remove some screws to run it under the fender liner, and then I run the cable here. I have to tuck it inside, put some zip ties to hold it better, and then it's this one here. I have to remove some screws from here under there, but after that I'm gonna stick it here. I'm gonna clean it a little bit better, and that's it. All right. Okay, the underglow is ready for the other piece, so this is the next one. I have to connect this on the underglow, but let me show you how it looks under here. Let's see if you can see it. Sorry, it's right there. There's one connection, the other one is over there, and the underglow goes there. And then the cable goes here and then in here. So I put a zip tie here, and then goes here, and then you can see it under here all the way over there. Then here, see it right, okay, right there. And then it's under here. I have to push it a little bit there. Yeah, I have to push it. So it's here, all the way here, and then on the back is right there. You can see it. Same thing on that side. Okay, I'm tired, but let me show you before we download the app and test this. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, let me see. So let's see if you can see it better, like that. Here. So here's the cable. Okay, that's the cable, and it goes on the back. And I put some zip ties over there, all the way there. here. You can see it, it's in here. And the box is right here. You can see it. Okay. It's right there, so the cable goes here, and then goes over here. This one, I'm gonna there, and then goes here, and then goes here, and here is the connection. So the black wire with the black and red with red. Or I put some tape on top. So this one I have to pull it a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna put another zip tie over there to keep it secure. And then the cable goes here and goes in that hole inside to the cabin. Okay, so remember, if you want to use this one, you can connect this one and plug it on the cigarette lighter connection, this one. Okay, but I already have a switch on my car. If you want to see how I did the switch, I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video down below of the switch, how I did the switch for this one. Okay, so now let me lower that, put some screws back, the plastics back, and let's test it. Let's download the app and test it. Okay, we're ready. But first let me turn on the switch, because on my car I have a switch. Let me show you. My switch, oh, it's kind of dark, so it's behind here. It's right there, my switch, right there. Look at that. Rad. Let me see. Let me turn off the lights. Close the door. Okay, let me show you the remote. This is the remote control. You can turn it on and off here. Okay, it has colors. See, white, looks a little bit blue, red, green, blue. Oh, the blue looks nice. Red. Okay, I like it in red. So on this one, let's see what this one does. Oh, that's nice. You can change this. Cool. That's nice. That's cool. And this one is the speed. The one in the middle that's you can make it faster or slower on the second one. And then the brightness, let me put it solid. Brightness. Oh, you have to press like this, and then you can go all the way up. Yeah, that's the brightest. Brighter. Right here, and then the last one is with the music. Hello? Okay, we have to put music in order for this one to work. It picks up my voice, but nah. Let's leave it in solid. That's nice. So this is the remote. It's very simple, and I like it. Okay, so it's perfect. It's working. That's amazing. So let's download the app first. This is the code to download the app. Let me get it right there. Okay, so this is the app. You have to download it. Let's get this Happy Lighting Live. Then it's already here. Let's see. It says allow Bluetooth. Yes. Let's see. Let's change it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's working already. Like I put it in red. Let's see, it's red. Let me turn off the light. So I have here, I can put it in red, green, blue. Ooh, blue looks amazing. Yellow, pink, light blue. Oof, light blue looks great. So now let's see what more option this one has. It's okay, this is for the music, not music right now. Let's see options. This one. In here the app, I left it on the middle for the brightness, okay, but you can make it brighter if you turn the brightness up more. Yeah, let's put more speed. Yeah. Oh man, that's amazing. Mode 3, that's Christmas style. Mode 4, mode 5. Okay guys, these are the Nilight Underglow. They look great. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. This one on the front is a little bit shorter than the one I had before. This one is smaller, so it doesn't cover the whole front, but it still looks good. I like it. Okay, and the price is the best thing. Okay, you want to know the price, click on the link on the description of the video. Okay, and also I'm gonna put the tools that I used today on the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.